Yung kilay, oh, wa na taas mo kayo. Sleep na. Gakanta man na siya sa iyang self. Gakanta na siya sa iyang self.
Jakoy.
Yung kilay, oh. Taas kayong isa. Tukod na siya.
Uy, mas picnic. Wala nakatulog.
Tulog mo na siya, uy. Tabang si Jack sig agik-ik sa iyang lulaan. Yanahan kay siya ani, ah. Ah. Hello. Hello.
Once upon a time, there was a farm. The baby looked at the cow, and they say, moo! And the baby pig
always people won't like my dog and see it.
Okay, let me see. Hala. Marami kaming lots of mess. I will declutter all the sacks na walang mga pares. And I will declutter din kwarto nila. Linisin ko din ang toilet. Hay, ang dami naming i-declutter kay nagre-ready na kami ba kay para wala kaming maraming dalhin doon paglipat namin. Jenny, Jessica, dali na lang. We're going down now. Turn off all the lights, please, B.
This is a train.
See? Turn off all the lights, Jenny, B.
DJ, come on the train.
Thank you.
No.
Ang ilang mama intawon, wala pang pangliging. Na panti-panti lang intawon ako dito. Oh, samanjak. Why are you wearing dress today?
Because we have to wear blue.
What's the meaning of it? Busy mo kaya na siya mag-iPad. Uy, hindi man siya kinig sa akin. Peachy?
No, Patsy.
Oh,
Because it's anti-bullying.
it's for anti-bullying?
Yeah.
That's why you're wearing blue? Mm. What are you eating?
Yeah.
Arte kayo niya ang medyas. Nakalapaw. Kaya gusto niya daw makita yung medyas niya na maganda daw kuno. Ay nako. Kung ano na lang yung trip nitong bata na ito. Grabe ang ulan. Naunsa naman in taon. Yun. Naunsa naman.
Hello.
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 Are you cold? Put your jacket na.
I put my jacket.
Yeah, put your jacket, Jenny, so that you're not cold inside the car.
Because so I don't have to do it when I come in.
Sige, sit down properly, JJ.
I am. I have my seatbelt on.
8:28 na po dito. Si Jack is nandun na.
Hello, my mommy not pretty because she's like a monkey face and she's very hairy and she's very stinky and she looks like a monkey gorilla and she's very hairy and stinky.
Ang tarong dia sa mga istorya, oy. Monkey, oh?
Hey, ano monkey?
Hulog ka ron, kabalo na gyud, oh. Marunong na talaga mag-inarte, oh. Sige. Hulog ka diha ron. Nagkuan, duko-duko. Tuwa. Makulit na talaga si Jack. Hello, what you do? Hello, hulog ka? Hulog ka ba? Hulog ka ba? Uy, naunsa man ni siya, uy. Tignan niyo siya, uy. Sobrang hyper niya. Ayaw niya tumayo tayo. Gusto niya maganyan, Kita niyo? Anong gusto niya sa mundo? Jack. What's happening? Ano sa day ka? Tugon ka? Tugon? Tiyo, Hello, daddy. No, daddy. Tubag.
Your call has been forwarded.
Magstay lang si Jack sa house today. Ang kanyang daddy nandun po kay Bayaw dahil lilinis po sila at nagre-ready sa bahay ni Bayaw. Nagtatapon sila ng maraming tinatapon. Gusto ko nga pumunta doon pero hindi man ako magpunta na muna. Okay, ang dami daw nilang kailangan gawin doon. And they're slowly cleaning the house. Tapos ako sana yung mag-pick up sa mga bata. Nanghangiw ako sa kanya na siya na lang mag-pick up sa mga bata today dahil sobra yung ulan. Tapos si Jack nagwa-wild pa dito. Tama na si Jack diha nagwa-wild Iwan ko. Hindi ko siya mag-gets today. Baka inaantok to ba? Yeah, the jacket is for rain. Mata na ang bata. Mata niya usiga kaayo. Tulog man ito siya galing. Mga 2 hours din yung kaniyang tulog. Mustan? Mustan? Sister? What's that? Jenny? Jenny? Si Kulot?
There and everything, and where the pink gin is empty.
May bisita po kami.
So I bought
Ayun
Oh, cheers, dude. I know that too, is it? When you drink that, mate.
Here, ito dito. Sinugot?
LG.
Walker ni Jack.
And an empty, and for that kitchen, when you get it there, I want you to. It's your kitchen, okay? You can do whatever you want. As long as you.
I'll be shy.
Yeah, as long as you put a plate of food in front of me every day, I don't care.
Sure.
Yeah. I need looking after. Yeah, so I got the settee down, and I just threw it down. Yeah.
The what?
No messing.
No, we didn't break it down.
Eddie, you're Walker.
There's blue
You're Walker.
It's blue, yeah, so I just said
Okay.
blue day. Why is it blue day, Jenny?
When I went to pick him up, right?
You don't know. Didn't they tell you?
Jade.
Why you had to wear blue?
You boy. I don't know how this one works.
She had to ask her, is that your dad?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, she knew.
Yeah, she hadn't been there long, and I'm like, no, I don't know me people, she's new, yeah, she didn't know me. And when she, I felt like funny. No, I said to her, I said, thank you for doing that. I said, I know my daughter's safe.
Yeah. What did she say?
They don't give to anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they don't give the kids to anyone, do they?
No. If you want like
Have 10 dodos.
example like emergency, you have to contact the main school, you know, in France. Like
the gates are locked as
example,
well
you
when
can
they're
get
there.
Jessica and
Oh, right.
Jenny, and you can add Craig, like the
So
uncle.
if I wasn't the dad, she would have said no.
Yeah.
You can add
Because
me on there.
she asked, Jenny's like your dad.
You can add me as well. if I need to.
You add
Yeah, add
Craig,
Craig,
but
yeah.
you have to tell them the main office.
Yeah.
She don't wanna get changed. Why?
I guess I like her.
She
Jack,
like dress-
Is that the same one Jenny had?
Yeah, but I don't know how this one works.
I remember, it looks like the same one. Oh, that was that way, Mummy.
What?
That way. That way, that's it. And then close. It's the same one Jenny had. We had that already.
Yeah, but hers is black here.
Algene, when we're all together, right? You know the driveways across the road?
Yeah?
They're free. There's 4 of them. They're free.
Is it?
Like, yeah, you put your car in there, and Wayne will put his car in there. And
I
then
don't
you're-
think I need a car now.
Well, you know you don't actually, really.
Yeah.
Make fun of me.
Yeah, but
You like that?
I know when LG hasn't brushed her hair and you've brushed her hair. So I see your dad's brushed her hair today. You know? He's all over the shop.
Aw. Stand. The health visitor said that
Well, you know what?
he need
Do you know
practice.
what I always worried about?
What?
His feet won't touch the floor.
No.
And he can.
He can. Look.
The health visitor came yesterday, Craig, and they said he needs to on
Practice.
his legs.
So that is strength.
Yeah, I've got that before and it's easy for him to wheel around.
Yeah.
His little legs are going now, Little legs going.
Because he's going to be up
Yeah.
there in your whole flying like a little.
3 kids in the house.
No, I don't. We keep saying no.
What's that?
The TV.
Why
I'm
there's
not
no...
like you, Wayne. You see?
No. Don't know what that was.
We need to get you a key cut as well, LG.
You like it, Jack? Huh?
Wayne, if you leave these, stamps in your passport, stickers.
In my old passport, yeah.
Pa.
Have you still got that?
Pa.
Visas.
Pa.
The old passport, haven't they?
Yeah, but not the Philippines.
Andyan siya, oh. Aming
When
bisita.
we go to the Philippines, we have to get a visa stamped over here before we leave.
Yeah, no. I was going to go to Russia. I had a visa to go to Russia, and I decided to didn't go. Finally, my passport is sent to me.
You want to go to Russia?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you Ben? Jack is Ben? Tapos na siya kayang siga kayong mata. Tapos nang kumain ng banana.
Ben, the like.
Mashed banana
the,
yung
like-
pinakain
the,
ko
like,
sa
dog.
kanya.
Do you know
Yes.
Ben the dog?
Yes. Umalis po yung tatay at si Bayaw. Iwan ko saan sila. Magbili daw sila na, ay, ambot sa ila, oy. Sabi ko sa kanila na mag-ingat silang dalawa kay nag-inom baya yun si Bayaw ay. Ambot nila, oy. Ay, ninom nila, oh. Si Bayaw pala, nagbili niyan. May sinasabi, gusto niya na daw pumunta sa Pilipinas. Gusto niya sumama sa akin. As in, gusto niya. Sabi niya, Wayne, kung hindi ka pupunta doon, kami lang ni Elgin, mag-una na daw kami doon sa Pilipinas. Ambot ani akong Bayaw, unsa naman ni siya. But, the main thing is, sinabihan niya na yung mga bata, itong dalawa. Yan, hindi nila alam na doon kami magtira sa kanilang uncle. So, sinabihan na sila ng kanilang uncle na in-explain sa kanila ng maayos kasi si Jessica at Jenny ayaw nila pumunta doon kay gusto daw nila itong bahay na ito. Ayaw nila mag-alis dito. So, explain ng maayos ng kanilang uncle na in few, hindi ko masabi ha ang period sa time, but sinabihan na po sila na doon kami and okay lang ba kay JJ? Ayun siya. Sabi ni JJ okay lang daw sa kanya. Ayun, okay na siya. Naunsa man na inyong gikaon. What are you eating? Oh my gosh. Sinabihan ko silang dalawa na mag-ingat. Uy, asa naman silang dalawa, uy? Wayne dati, yung kabataan niya pa daw, kaya di ba siya nagkaroon ng sakit sa kanyang liver, sa kanyang atay. Nandun kami sila sa labas, uy. Asa man na sila dyan? Is, palagi silang nag-iinom. Sila dalawa ni Bayaw. Grabe sila mag-inom ng alcohol. Kaya nasira siguro yung atay ni Wayne. Si Bayaw, excited siya. Kay builder kasi akong Bayaw. Pagsamahin namin siya sa Pilipinas. Parang ang pinag-uusapan namin is bukas na talaga. Grabe siya mag-imagine. Sabi niya, pag doon na daw kami sa Philippines, siya yung magtatayo ng bahay. Kay builder siya, magaling siya magtayo ng bahay. So, we'll just see kung ano yung mangyayari, Jessica. I think, nag-enjoy naman siya sa kanyang walker. Pero, iiyak siya after mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes pag sobra na. Ayan, o, bulingit kay kumain niya ng saging. Gutom daw si Jenny. Unsa naman ni siya? Uy, palagi mang gutom. Pa, isang oras na. Si Wayne at si Bayaw, hindi pa sila nakabalik. Hatagan man dyan ko nila problema ani. Uy, asa naman sila, uy? Saan yung daddy lang? Ang daddy ni Jack. Nagyudnak. Niingon ko sa ilaha nga mag... Ay, naku. Tawagan ko kaya, no? Kanina pa yun ba?